getting off the boat and ready to explore. This is the perfect place to get away from it all, from the parks and the hustle and the bustle, and just completely relax. You can either stay in cabins, or if you have a motorhome or trailer, you can actually camp here. I have stayed here in the past and I've really enjoyed it. So follow me, and the first stop is going to be the general store on the way in. You can also rent golf carts to ride around, because it's a pretty big place here, so a lot of people do that. Here's the settlement trading post. It's like we're going back in time. And if you want to play checkers, you can always stop for a bit. I like the Mickeys on the chairs, those are cute. And if you want to mail a postcard, there's a US mail post office box. $300 reward for Curly McKay. I thought I would tell you guys a really fun tip if you didn't know. If you can't ever remember which one is which, think about chocolate chip cookies when you're thinking about Chip, because his nose is brown like a chocolate chip. And this is Dale, he has the red nose. The highlight of Fort Wilderness for me is the Tri-Circle D Ranch, where you can walk through the stables and see all the pretty horses. They are the horses that service the carriage and wagon rides here, so that's another thing you can do at Fort Wilderness, but I just like to go and say hi to them. It says this horse is named Sarge. Hi, pretty horse. He's over it. He's too hot. He doesn't want to pay attention to me. It's okay. I see how it is. Something else I like is this calliope, and I'm going to press the button and it'll play. Here's a sample of the wagon and the carriage that they use if you go on the wagon and carriage rides. We'll go over to the campgrounds. It's good to mix the relaxing moments in with the hectic moments at Disney World, because it can just be really fun but really exhausting. This would be a perfect place for a morning walk or a run. Another cool fact about this place is if you are ever at Disney World at Christmas, you should definitely stay or go to Fort Wilderness, because they have a complete group of people who come and stay for a month or two every year, and they deck out their motorhomes and campers with Christmas lights. It's absolutely unbelievable. I'm sad that the Osborne lights are gone, but really you could just come to Fort Wilderness because they have just as many lights at Christmas. Right through here is the back side of the campsites. You can see somebody has a nice setup there with a tent. These cabins are a great option if you want to go full out glamping, because you have complete air conditioning. You don't have to bring your own motorhome or camper. They're really spacious. I've stayed in these before. This is the path to the closest campsites. This is right next to the trading post. Florida is the only place where you can go camping with regular trees and palm trees. Here's what the campsites look like. Give you a little spin around. We went to Trails End and ordered a takeout dinner because we love enjoying our meal outside, sitting in the rocking chairs or at the picnic table. That evening, we saw several carriage rides pass by as we ate.
We ordered barbecue chicken with cornbread and sides of mashed potatoes, coleslaw, and green beans. Soon it was time to take a sunset boat ride back to Magic Kingdom.